Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we make your purchasing decisions a whole lot smarter. Today, we're diving into the sky with two fantastic drones. On the left, we have the Holystone HS440 foldable FPV drone, and on the right, the ATTOP W10. Let's see which one will fly high and which one will crash and burn. Figuratively speaking, of course. All right, let's kick things off with the price. The Holystone HS440 is priced at $129, while the ATTOP W10 comes in at a budget-friendly $69. So if your wallet is tighter than your jeans after Thanksgiving dinner, the ATTOP W10 might already be catching your eye. But hold your horses, folks, because we've got a lot more to compare. Next up, let's talk about the camera. Holystone comes swinging with a 1080p HD camera that's auto-adjustable within 90 degrees. It's like having your very own aerial cinematographer. Meanwhile, the ATTOP W10 also boasts a 1080p HD camera, but with a slightly wider 120 degrees view. It's like the camera equivalent of a fisheye lens. Great for those wide-angle shots, but might make your selfies look like you're in a funhouse mirror. Now, what's the point of a drone that can't stay up in the air? The Holystone HS440 gives you a sweet 20 minutes of flight time, which is enough to film a short movie or spy on your neighbors. Just kidding, don't do that. On the other hand, ATTOP W10's flight time is a bit of a mystery here. But given the price tag, let's just say you might want to have a charger handy. Let's move on to features. The Holystone HS440 is packed with advanced features like automatic takeoff, precise hovering, and one-key high-speed rotation. It's practically the James Bond of drones. The ATTOP W10, though, isn't just standing around like a wallflower at the drone dance. It offers headless mode, 360 degrees free flip, and multiple control methods, including app touch, voice, and gravity sensing. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. How user-friendly are these gadgets? The Holystone HS440 is designed with beginners in mind, featuring emergency stop, headless mode, and altitude hold. It's basically saying, hey newbie, I got your back. The ATTOP W10 also aims to please the beginners with its one-key takeoff, landing, and toss-to-launch feature. Toss it in the air, and it's ready to go. It's like the drone equivalent of a dog playing fetch. Safety first, people. The Holystone HS440 comes with a carrying case, making it easy to transport without turning it into a pile of expensive junk. The ATTOP W10, however, includes 4 propeller guards and spare propellers. It's like having an airbag for your drone. Plus, it beeps when it's about to run out of power, so you can bring it back before it decides to take an unscheduled nap in the bushes. When it comes to user reviews, the Holystone HS440 is praised for its durability, ease of use, and fun flying experience. Reviewers note that it's great for beginners, but suggest it may struggle in windy conditions. On the other hand, the ATTOP W10 receives mixed reviews. Some users appreciate its value for money and ease of use, while others mention issues with stability and control. Overall, both drones have their strong points, but cater to slightly different needs. So which drone should you buy? If you're looking for a drone that's packed with advanced features and don't mind spending a bit more, the Holystone HS440 is your aerial buddy. But if you're on a budget and still want a drone that's fun to fly and packed with features, the ATTOP W10 is your go-to choice. That's all for today's Drone Showdown. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss out on our smart buying tips. Drop a comment below on which drone you think takes the crown and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, stay smart and happy flying.